Okay guys, thanks for watching. I made sure the fire was out. It's still warm. Yeah, I tore a little bit of things out of it. Yeah, I tried really hard. There's really warmth, really strong warmth just coming out of this fucking washer. But I poked at it, made sure everything was out. I wonder if this still unscrews. Wow. Yeah, I'm surprised this is actually still here. God damn. Yeah, these are winter gloves, so this isn't really for this, but... Ah, fuck it, you get the idea. But yeah, you can't even read what you're looking at anymore, really. It's like the directions and shit. But that fire really turned colors. It was pretty cool. I'm out. Even though like my backpack's still there, I'm out.